and say hi.
Hi, how you doing? Get the hell out of here.
Excuse me.
No, I'm not excusing.
This is our Thanksgiving golf cart ride.
I hope we don't die.
Hope we don't die
I'm
too.
driving.
Mom is driving.
Watch the holes.
It's very beautiful out.
Listen to her.
It's actually sometimes less painful if you go faster.
But not on this.
Less painful.
Because you hit every bump really slow. If you go fast.
That doesn't even make sense.
Whoa!
Oh, come on! Come on, no! Come on! My back! Ow! Jesus! Ouch! That made a lot of sense.
Was that better?
Not for us back here. You guys can see the bumps coming. We're in the blind. And for that reason, I'm out.
Shark Tank.
Shark.
What is it called? Shark?
Shark.
It's just called
Shark.
Shark? Oh.